Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to fly in something cool? Come train with us and you will see that you're already a pilot to be. This is SUU, this is SUU, engines roar in the dead of night. This is SUU, everybody make a scene, day or night. You're always gonna have a flight. In our school, everybody trains. In our school of SUU, I am the one waiting in your aircraft. Skids on the ground and beacons glowing red. I am the one waiting in the classroom. Many open books and supplemental charts.
Hey everyone, welcome to this year's edition of the annual pumpkin drop here at SUU Aviation. Today we're going to be dousing pumpkins in water and dropping them from great heights. We hope you enjoy.
Alright, so we're going to come on up a little bit. Also, for the record, my name's Blake Bennett. We're going to pick up nice little cargo net full of pumpkins here. Using a 100-foot line with electric cargo hook. Oh, we lost one. But we got the rest of them so far. Looks like they weigh about 300 pounds. 290, 300, we're sitting around 75. We're going to start easing forward, we're going to do a nice little lap with it. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, y'all, there's your pumpkin drop. 100-foot line, around 300 pounds in the cargo net.
It was interesting. I can't wait to do it myself.
Yeah, for sure.
In this town we call home, everyone hail to SUU.
Thank you guys for watching this year's annual pumpkin drop. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a happy Halloween.